You are tuned to the 24/7 channel of All India Radio. Continuing with a new series, Know Your Sport, today we are going to talk about Malkhamb. And we have in our studios General Secretary of Malkhamb Federation of India, Mr. Dharamveer Ji, talking to Nitish Arora.
Friends, welcome to the next episode of Know Your Sports. And today we are focusing on a very indigenous, very much our own sport, and that is Malkhamb. And we are fortunate to have with us Mr. Dharamveer Ji, General Secretary, Malkhamb Federation of India. Dharamveer Ji, welcome to the program.
Thanks.
What exactly Malkhamb is, what is its origin, its history, and what is its status now?
Malkhamb is a traditional Indian sport in which a gymnast performs poses and feats while hanging from a vertical wooden pole or rope. Malkhamb helps to develop speed, reflexes, concentration and coordination. Training of Malkhamb helps in practicing all other games which include wrestling, judo, gymnastics, athletics, horse riding, badminton, tennis, yoga, etc. In the past, Malkhamb was played during the Raja Maharaja's empires. In 1135 AD, Malkhamb was introduced as a akhada exercise, you can say. At that time, Malkhamb was used as a practice to warm up for the wrestling or etc. Mugdar is also a part of that Malkhamb.
Malkhamb, in fact, the pole of Malkhamb almost looks like a Mugdar, which is higher.
But this is higher.
Yes.
Well, that was only 2-3 feet.
Absolutely.
And Malkhamb, Mal is a wrestler. Khamb is a pole. Wrestler with pole. Malkhamb is a, you can say, when a wrestler uses his skills on a pole.
Okay.
Even yoga, every yoga asana are being performed in pole, rope or even in the hanging Malkhamb. There are 3 parts of Malkhamb. Malkhamb, rope Malkhamb, especially it was for the girls. Now the boys are also performing. Pole Malkhamb was totally for the boys at that time. But nowadays, we have also introduced this pole Malkhamb for the girls also. Previously, it was for the boys only.
So friends, those who know about this sport, they are obviously very familiar with it. What I have understood from Mr. Dharamveer Singh Ji is that this was basically a sport which came into existence for helping wrestlers have a better grip and exercise and develop their coordination for a good fight. Mal is a wrestler and Khamb is a pole. So this is a game which revolves around a pole when you do not need another player in a combative mode. You do not have to combat with another wrestler. There is a pole. It is for your physical fitness. And now yoga has also combined it with Malkhamb, and most of the yoga postures are being done on Malkhamb.
Yeah.
And you also told us that now there are 3 major disciplines. It's not only a pole, but now Malkhamb is also performed on a rope, which was initially introduced for the girls, but now boys are also doing it. Malkhamb, the original one with the pole, was initially only for boys, but now the girls are also doing it. And the final one is a hanging Malkhamb, which is again is a pole. It is smaller in height than the pole which is digged in the earth. This pole is hanging
like a rope.
Hanging on a rope.
About 4-5 feet above the ground level.
Okay, fine. So Malkhamb, when was it actually officially came into the fold of being a national sport and having championships in it?
In 80s, it was introduced as a part of gymnastics. In 1984, it was registered as Independent Malkhamb Federation.
Okay.
At Ujjain. It was registered over there. Then we started for 2-3 states were participating. In Maharashtra, every person knows Malkhamb. I also studied at Hanuman Akhada, Amravati, Maharashtra during my physical training. When I came to Delhi, then I started Malkhamb in Delhi.
Tell us something about how and why one should actually take Malkhamb. Is it only restricted for the wrestlers now, or anybody else who is not interested in wrestling but can come to Malkhamb and be a champion?
Nowadays, Malkhamb is a national sports federation. Every Malkhamb player got the service in government of India or even scholarship. And this is the present game, especially Mr. Kiran Rijiju ji, our honorable minister for sports. He is taking so much interest in this game. He has introduced 4 games in indigenous game, and Khelo India is being played. So know the attraction are more than other games.
Why I was actually inclined to bring in Malkhamb also in our program Know Your Sport is that just a few days ago during the Prime Minister NCC rally this year, that is 2021, after the NCC drills in the cultural program, the main center of attraction was a stage, and right in the middle of the stage was a Mallakhambh, and an artist was performing. And I think not only an individual artist, there are 4 or 5
4 or
youngsters.
5 artists, and the boy was from Delhi itself.
Oh, great.
That is
And
a-
I was really attracted.
That
and
was
I thought,
Hariom, studying in DAV college.
great. Mr. Singh, gymnastics is something which is a world recognized sport, and lots of youngsters get attracted towards gymnastics. Mallakhambh, I think, is even more challenging and tougher than gymnastics, and it's really spectacular to see the kind of control on their movements, the kind of poses that they do. So, how popular is this sport now among youth, and how many states are actually having this Mallakhambh championship?
Mallakhambh is a traditional game. Most of the boys and girls from the rural area or the weaker sex, especially for the Gurukuls, etc., and some centers, that was performed earlier also. Now it performed by the School Games Federation also. Even University Games Federation also. 29 states are doing Mallakhambh.
29 states are doing it. I understand you said that it is like very popular among the weaker sections.
Weaker sex.
Why the elite is not taking to it?
That is a very tough game. Or is it performed without any cost? What say equipment was provided by the Federation or Government of India or the state government, that no other expenditure has to be borne by any of them. And no such dress is also. Even girls are wearing gymnast dress, and boys are jangia. A simple jangia that you can say is lagot. So that is a tough game and needs more concentration, more strength, more capability for the doing all these things. So most of the players belong to that section.
So you want to say that the elite is not ready to take the challenge of this is a tough game.
Tough game.
I
Yes.
think if we announce like this on the program, perhaps more and more people would want to take the challenge, because
Yes.
challenge is something that the youth is always ready for. And do you think that elite want to spend more money, and this is
Yes,
a
yes.
very cost effective
They are
game?
attractive for the expenditure. Without expenditure, they are not satisfied as per my views. I may be wrong.
So let us know more about this sport. The wooden pole, which is embedded in the ground.
Embedded in the ground, or nowadays a portable Mallakhambh we have also started, heavy stand that we can keep it anywhere.
How much weight portable Mallakhambh can?
Portable Mallakhambh is about 200 kg maybe.
Okay, so even an athlete of
Who's can-
70 kg or above can perform on
Yeah,
it
yeah,
easily.
yeah. Every
So what is the height of this pole?
and half.
8.5 feet, and this is made of,
Five,
I think, is a particular wood.
Is a teak wood or shisham wood.
Any idea how many Mallakhambhs we have in India?
When I studied in Delhi, so there was no Mallakhambh even the northern states. Even when we were in Maharashtra, there was very less. Nowadays, government has so initiated this game that Government of India has started about 100 Mallakhambh Vyayamshala. They have provided 4 and 5 Mallakhambh to each center throughout the India. Because Government of India is providing. Even you can say during Mann Ki Baat, Prime Minister was saying that he saw that Mallakhambh in America. A couple from Maharashtra is doing all these things.
Which means if Americans are taking to it, I think our elite will also start taking to
Yes,
it.
sir. I can tell you, last year we held a World Mallakhambh game in Maharashtra.
So which means we have gone offshores now, and more nations are taking to it.
35
35
35
countries.
nations participated last year in Bombay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are we popularizing it there, or it has come of their own?
One couple from Maharashtra went there in America, and they were both were Mallakhambh players. Although they are software engineer, but they study Mallakhambh over there.
So which means that the world is looking at us. It is for us now to take this up for them.
Yeah. One of our gentlemen is Deshpande. He is wandering about 35 to 40 countries to popularize this game.
So sir, tell us, what is the right age to start this sport?
For the younger generation, we have little Mallakhambhs to do practice.
And what is the height of those Mallakhambhs?
2 feet, 3 foot, 4 feet. We started from that.
Okay.
And to make balance or hand balance or a foot balance, we started from that, because that is risky about 8 and 5 feet above. How can you control your hand and the whole body?
The youngsters from the age of
5, 6 years they
5
can
or
start.
6 years they can start.
Even Chhattisgarh Narayanpur, one is Mr. STF fellow, he is a Jawan of Indian Army. He started this Mallakhambh at the tribal area in Chhattisgarh. About 200 tribal boys are doing these things.
we have national competitions, we have state state level competitions.
Yes, sir. District
and
level also.
District level competitions. So there must be categories, the age categories, the weight categories.
No,
men,
weight,
women.
age categories.
There are age categories.
Age categories.
What are the categories?
Under 12, mini junior.
Okay, under 12.
Mini junior to 14, sub junior.
Sub-junior, okay.
Sub junior. Under 17, up to 17 are junior.
Okay.
And above is open.
17 and above is open to all. And to what age people play it?
We have watching over this about 60 or 65 years old are doing Malkham to get himself fit.
So we have literally tried to tell everything about the pole Malkham. What about the other two, the rope one? What sort of a rope is this?
For the juniors, it must be 18 feet long.
18 feet long.
And the senior 20 feet. 20 feet is it must be. Wrestling akhadas, you have seen even BSF, CRPF training centers. You can see the rope is hanging over there.
Is this the same rope or you have
No,
a different
no.
rope?
Soft rope is there.
Okay.
That
In
can
Malkham,
be
a
that-
soft rope is used.
So only for cotton.
Okay, made of
That is
cotton.
Made in cotton because the grip have to be prepared by the players, and the height is such and both are those height. Even boys and girls are doing all yogasan on that.
When there is a competition, the categories you just told us, is there a minimum time limit given to an artist to perform?
Yes. Only 90 seconds.
90?
90 seconds he has to perform 5-6 elements. Elements is a succession of event.
You mean only a minute and a half?
Yeah.
Just a minute and a half to perform.
Yes.
And show your skills.
And if he performs further, that after 20 seconds, after warning, the score goes to negative.
Okay, dismiss. 1 minute and 30 seconds to perform.
30 seconds.
Must
That
be
is
very thrilling.
very fast as to perform.
And what are the
There are
combinations?
5-6 combination events that was provided by the federation at that time only. Or he has to perform that every person can perform these at any time.
Okay.
Earlier it was fixed. You have to perform
see,
this.
if everybody has to perform same, how do you judge them?
Yes, they perform how best can he has started, how he start doing Malkham, how he came to the pole, how he finished it, and how it was balancing or not. On the basis of that, the number was.
Are there some marks for uniqueness also? Something new if somebody performs?
That was used in demonstration only.
Okay.
He can be rewarded as a good Malkham demonstrator, but not a competitor.
Okay. Let's say in other competitive sports like judo or other martial arts, you have grading of a player. You can start from blue belt and then red belt, green belt, yellow belt and all those is black belt. Do we have such grading system in
Yes,
Malkham?
we have also started some of the states like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Vikram Awardi, etc. We have started this thing in nowadays in Malkham Federation. That was again was recognized by the government in 2016 only. Between 5-7 years that was not recognized due to not adoption of that sports code 2011. So now we have started all these things. One of our coach from Ujjain, he was awarded a Dronacharya Award this year.
So about the nationals of Malkham, is it a regular every year event or it's held at a frequency of intervals?
Every year.
Every year.
Positively. Most of the states wants that we are ready to hold this game.
So what about spectators?
Audience,
Are we getting good number of people to watch it?
Audience was not so much popular in some of the states, especially northern states. Even Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, there are a lot of audience. Even Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Odisha, Chhattisgarh, better than North start.
So,
North has also started.
Okay.
Punjab police also started. No, we are progressing day by day.
What the federation is doing to make it more popular among the spectators?
Spectator, we are trying to demonstrate Malkham. In the local school organization, one athletic meet is going on or some yoga meet or going on or some other celebration is going on. We send our boys to go and popularize this game. Do a demonstration.
And coverage on national television?
Directly, everywhere television are so kind for us, even media person. When they watch over this game, this is the game which have to perform by every person.
I understand now, yoga is a very essential element of Malkham. Most of the yoga postures are done on the pole or on the rope. That is the basic ingredient of your performance.
Yeah.
Now yoga has become very popular. Is it that the yoga people are also performing Malkhamb and they are also popularizing or promoting it?
Yes, our girls from Delhi University, they are gold medalists in yoga. They started Malcolm also, or they are learning very fast. Even Delhi team, we sent them to the national level.
Okay. Now we come to one very major issue is with most of the sports are prone to injuries. How tough is Malkhamb, and is it a sport which incurs lot of physical injuries on the athlete? What kind of precautions are to be taken?
In Malcolm, that is not so much injury, but only muscle injury is there. So we started with a full warming up, full exercises, and the pole was totally oiled before that.
Initially.
Yes, initially.
But now you don't oil the pole.
Yes, 100%. We have to oil the pole.
But then it becomes difficult to grip.
It is difficult to play, but it is R&D oil, मतलब जिसको castor oil is there ना. Castor oil is doing very help for us. That provides safety for our thighs, even girls and boys, and helpful to grip also.
So you're using castor oil on this
Yes.
pole, and that helps in having a good grip.
Good grip and to avoid injury, because a wooden pole may injury the thighs.
Aren't there any injuries on the groin area? So boys, I've seen that they're performing and they have to like thud their body against the pole.
That anti-activity they are doing, but we started from the lower pole, as I already told you. No? First we started from 2 feet fit and 4 feet, and mats were also there, and one person was also standing over there. In case of any problem, he can help him. But that game needs concentration. When a boy on Malcolm, boy or girl, on 1 feet, he's starting up and saying Jai Hind, so we feel proud of that. No game has so much concentration. No game has such type of strength and flexibility.
So I would now ask you to address the parents and the youngsters. Why should they take Malkhamb?
If you want to stay safe and space and healthy to your children, kindly send your boys or girls, or even you and your family, visit our center and see the original Indian gentlemen are being made by Malcolm Federation.
And I understand that every muscle of the body is involved when you're doing Malkhamb, and you are strengthening your body, and you will be disease free.
Disease free, anti-aging.
Anti-aging also.
Yes, anti-aging, or you can see that our Malcolm players about 70 years. You can't imagine how old he is.
So how many centers are there in Delhi right now?
Right now we have provided 6 centers.
6 centers.
Six
They are
centers.
situated at?
Situated, one is at Gautam Nagar, second is R.A. Gita School, and third is working at Gurukul Kanya Vidyalaya, Narela. One is at Jahangirpuri, and one is being started from Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium itself.
Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium.
Yes, yes. We approached the government, and government has kind enough to provide us space to play Malkhamb.
Dharamveer ji, is this an individual sport or teams also perform, or is there something like doubles or mixed doubles?
Yes, individual and team game also. We avoided the states which got better marks. We start from the 4 best players of each state, and the basis of marks obtained by them, we awarded the team championship.
No, team championship is like having best of 4. But is there a competition wherein more than one athlete is performing?
Yes, yes. A group also perform in Malcolm jointly.
Okay.
That also a part of that.
Is a different championship.
Different.
How many players in a team event?
6.
Maximum 6?
6 in one age group.
6 of
6
one age
boys,
group.
6 girls.
So is there a mixed competition also wherein boy and girl together?
That team championship, boys and girls both are participating.
So friends, individually you can do it. In a team you can do it. You become a national champion or a state champion as an individual level, and your team can also become a champion.
Or in addition to that, no, the government of India has also started Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program, in which 2 states have a pair and started one team. Even like Delhi and Sikkim is one team. So Telangana and Haryana is another team. We have to perform on the basis of that team. That is a new start.
Friends, one of the most challenging game and one of the most cheapest game, one of the most safest game, and one game which can also ensure you guaranteed the job as it is a recognized sport now. And if we are not taking up to Malkhamb, then we must think about it soon. This is a very nice sport to be in. you do not have to pay very much cost-effective game and a very safe game. Thank you so much, Dharamveer for coming to our studios.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You just heard the fresh episode of our series, Know Your Sports. Today, Mr. Dharamveer Ji, General Secretary of Malcolm Federation of India, was in conversation with Nitish Arora. This broadcast came to you from the 24/7 channel of All India Radio.